How do I check the versions of Python modules? I installed the Python modules construct and statlib using setup tools. How do I check their versions from the command line?
Use pip instead of easy_install. With pip, list all installed packages and their versions via. On most Linux systems, you can pipe this to grep, or find strong Windows, to find the row for the particular package you're interested in. Linux LXML == 2.3 Windows LXML == 2.3 For an individual module, you can try the _version _attribute. However, there are modules without it. Traceback, most recent call last, file, line 1, in attribute era, module object has no attribute version. Lastly, as the commands in your question are prefixed with sudo, it appears you're installing to the global Python environment. I strongly advise to take a look into Python virtual environment managers, for example virtualenv.
You can try. This is the approach recommended by PEP 396. But that PEP was never accepted and has been deferred. In fact, there appears to be increasing support amongst Python core developers to recommend not including _version _attribute, for example in remove importlib _metadata.version.
Python is greater than or equal to 3.8. If your own Python is greater than or equal to 3.8, you can use a module from the built-in library for that. To check a package's version, in this example construct, run. Python is lower than 3.8. Use pkg_resources module distributed with setup tools library. Note that the string that you pass to get_distribution method should correspond to the PIPI entry. Side notes. Note that the string that you pass to the get_distribution method should be the package name as registered in PIPI, not the module name that you are trying to import. Unfortunately, these aren't always the same. For example, you do pip install memcached, but import memcach. If you want to apply this solution from the command line, you can do something like
Use pip show to find the version. You can use pip show your _package_name, which gives you all details of package. This also works in Windows. grep version is used in Linux to filter out the version and show it.